Let's get you the details that you need to know about the India-China joint statement that was issued last night. They have agreed not to send additional troops to forward areas amid the over 4-month-long standoff at the line of actual control in Ladakh. The decision was taken after the 6th round of Corps Commander level talks that took place on Monday in Moldo on the Chinese side. It's also been decided to hold the next round of military talks soon. Government sources told India today that since China made the first move, they must pull back first and then it will be reciprocated by India. Chinese President Xi Jinping meanwhile told the United Nations General Assembly that Beijing has no intention to fight either a Cold War or a hot one with any country. Xi also said that China will continue to narrow the differences and resolve disputes with others via negotiations. Abhishek Bhalla is joining us live from Leh with more details on this. Abhishek, good morning. The joint statement that came out from India and China seems to hint that yes, there has been some positive developments, some outcome from the dialogue that happened, the military level dialogue that happened on Monday. Just sum up for us what you believe are the big takeaways from that statement.
Morning, Akshita. The biggest takeaway is that both sides have agreed not to send more troops to the front line. So this means that there won't be a further induction of troops, no further deployment in the forward areas, which are already volatile. It's also decided that, both sides will not take any action that will further escalate things on the ground. But Akshita, what the joint statement does not say is also perhaps important. It does not talk about de-escalation. It does not talk about disengagement. And that's exactly what these talks were taking place for. In fact, this was the 6th time that the Corps Commander level meet took place. In the previous meetings, every time there was a roadmap discussed mutually for disengagement. Now, unless disengagement takes place, which then leads to de-escalation and then further de-induction of not just troops, but weapon systems like artillery guns, tanks, and air defense systems that are very close to the line of actual control, tensions will prevail. And it's still, not known when the 7th round of Corps Commander level talks will take place, because the joint statement also talks about it, that the Corps Commander level meeting will happen soon again. So while the intention is to ensure that there is de-escalation, but nothing on the ground as of now suggests that things are going to ease out very soon.
The focus has been no further escalation, at least from the joint statement, but there's no mention of how things will move on a positive note to ensure de-escalation. So that is one point we'll focus on. Abhishek, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.